time, I'm going to ask you to fasten your seatbelts.
Roanoke approach, Liberty 154. We're currently 1.5 miles to the north of Brookneal, 2,000 climbing to 2,500. We'd like to declare an emergency. Our oil pressure is kind of finicky. We're going to head back to Lynchburg Virginia as soon as possible.
Liberty 154, Roanoke approach, roger, radar contact, altimeter is 299.4, November's current, winds 2303, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 28, dew point 15, set altimeter is 299.4, and you said the engine's running rough?
Engine's running fine, the oil pressure is acting kind of strange. It's jumping around a lot, so we're going to go ahead and declare emergency and head back to Lynchburg.
Liberty 154, roger, just continue inbound to the field. How many souls on board and how much fuel you got?
2 souls on board. Currently we have about 4.5 hours fuel on board.
Liberty 154, roger.
Company 15, Company 12, Company 19, Squawk 282. Need respond Lynchburg Regional Airport for an alert 2. Have a Cessna plane coming in, 4 hours of fuel, 2 souls on board, 6 miles out. All responding units need to respond to Gate 1. Again, Gate 1, Ops 2, 1913.
Lynchburg Tower, Liberty 154. We are 9 miles to the southwest of the field. Engine indications are stabilized now, but we're still going to come back in for that full stuff.
RF1, just stand by. The assessor reporting the engine appears to be stable at this time. Let you know for any further changes. And RF1, Cessna initial final is the arriving aircraft. Emergency aircraft. RF1, if you'd like to follow the Cessna, you can proceed Charlie out to runway 422.
Charlie on the 422, RF1.
Liberty 154, exit when you're able.
Take a Bravo 3, Liberty 154.
And got our vehicle following you. You can continue to the ramp if you're able. Bravo and Echo.
Bravo Echo, I think we'll make it. Liberty 154, thanks for the help.
No problem.
Lynchburg Tower, RF1, that's affirmative. You can clear the emergency.
Roger.